On the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung is finally revealing the real capability of its 200-megapixel camera. They officially teased a new level up to their 200-megapixel sensor, utilizing the capability of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and AI to do some magic. So, ISO cell zoom is Samsung's new high-resolution zoom technology. Not only is Samsung utilizing the high-range zoom crop to enable fresh new AI-based tracking technology, but it also allows for a high-grade lossless zoom up to 4x level. So now, while recording 4K video, we have zoom options ranging from 1 to 4x, and the sensor automatically follows any moving subject utilizing the zoom, giving you a dual viewpoint of the video. By the way, Samsung can do this automatically without you really zooming up to 4x level. Samsung is implementing a new end-to-end AI picture processing that is 2 times quicker than the previous version. This improves the image's HDR and colors, but also allows us to shoot quicker images on our Galaxy phone than ever before, even while utilizing the 200-megapixel resolution. Given that this works specifically with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, as shown in the teaser video, it's very likely that it'll be implemented on the S24 Ultra. In fact, the Galaxy S Ultra render shown in this teaser video looks very similar to the S24 Ultra's leaked renders that we saw a few weeks ago, displaying a very flat display, potentially informing people that they will be implementing this new AnyPlay zoom on the S24 Ultra 200-megapixel sensor. And don't forget that Samsung is also bringing a new high-resolution, bigger 5x sensor with a large aperture size, which is expected to unlock a groundbreaking zoom quality from 5x to 10x level, and even beyond that, if all goes well, Samsung will once again offer the most complete zoom setup on any smartphone out there. The colors of the S24 series were leaked a few days ago by Ross Young, who has a strong track record. According to his sources, we'll see black, gray, violet, and yellow, with the yellow hue expected to be similar to what we saw with the S10e back in 2019. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.